Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. To start language learning, I am going to introduce one application for a write a program. This is Ubuntu application. Now we will see how to install Ubuntu app for a write C and C++ code. So some basic steps is here. You have to follow that. But open Microsoft and search Ubuntu. And select 20.4. If you want different, you can select that. Click on install. Wait while slow downloading. After completion download, open control panel and select large icon. Click on program and features and go to turn Windows features on and off and find their virtual machine platform and Windows subsystem for Linux. Right mark on both and click OK. After that, you have to restart your system. After completing this, some few steps is remaining. You have to complete that. So after completion of restart your system, open Ubuntu application and it will take some time. So wait for that. After that, ask you or enter username. So enter the username, whatever you want. And then asking for ask for password. Whenever you are enter a password, it's not visible. First put password, then retype the password. After that, so complete. After that, you have to give two commands. It's I'm saying the sudo apt-update and sudo apt install gcc -y. After this commands, we can use that and employ this. And then if you are using Windows 7, 8 and you are not able to install this Ubuntu application, then you can use the online compiler. There are so many online compilers if you search on the internet, but I am preparing you Programiz and the link is here given. So you can go through directly this link or you can search in Google online compiler. There you can see Programiz. It is the first or second options. After this, we are going to write a basic program that is a hello world and some basic things for the C language. So now I've shown you how to install Ubuntu application. So open your Ubuntu, open your Microsoft Store, search your Ubuntu. So you search, if you search Ubuntu, will show you from starting. You search Ubuntu, and you got this many options. So you have to select one. Right now I am using this 25.6. So I am start downloading this one. I will show you how to download. So click to install and start. For I am started, so it is pushed. To wait for download this. While it is downloading, I am showing you another. It's like you have to open control panel and can select here large icon. After that, select program and feature. After selecting program and feature, you can see here turn Windows features on or off. So click on this. And this dialog box you can see. There's so many options. You have to find this one virtual machine platform. This one Windows subsystem for Linux. I am already marked this, so no need to mark here. But maybe in your system it's not marked, so you have to mark and then click OK. After that, close this window and then you have to restart your system. I am already done before that, so no need to restart my system. So I am directly open this. Open and installing. This may take a few minutes. So I'm waiting for that. Okay. It's asking for username. So I am giving ABCD. So I'm going to give you my username and I am entering password. Password is not, you can see, or also this is so it's completed. After that, you have to give two commands. That one is sudo space apt hyphen get space and update. Hit enter. So it's again asked for password. So enter your password and hit enter. It will take some time to install this. Wait for till this completion. Right now it's 97%, 98. It's going to complete. It's completed. Now you have to give second command for installation GCC. Without install this GCC, you can't compile your code. So let's go with this code. Sudo space apt space install space hyphen y. Enter this. So this done. Now we can use this. So give Control and L to clear the screen. After this, now we are going to write a code for C language. So hello world program. So we write a command to create any file. So it's a first program. So I am giving the name hello underscore world .c. .c is the extension for a C language. C PP is the extension for C++ language. You have to carefully whenever you are giving a name to file because we can't start a file name like numerical or something else. Some special characters we cannot use. Only underscore we can use. Special characters only underscore we can use. So after giving this enter hit, so here you can see number is not visible, but I will show you later. After this code, I am showing you how to get line numbers here. So let's start. Here you can see file name. So file name after we have to write here program. So we have to go to insert mode. So press insert key or I. So you can see here insert. Now we are able to write. So I'm writing the code. Those include stdio.h. This is a header file. And main. This is a main function. This is a body of the main function. So print f now I'm completed this program. So for save the now I have to save this program. So first press stop key and then shift with shift 2 times save. So now I have to compile this code. So remove this vi and VRCC. So this again ask to not so our GCC is not installed. So it's asked for install a GCC. So sudo apt install GCC. It is asking to give a yes. So it is take some time before I am given the command, but it is there is something wrong. It's not completed. Now it is installing. So we have to wait till installation completion. After this completion, we can compile our code. Installation is completed 83%. So 45, 91. So the installing system process completed. So still compiled. We can compile it using CCC also. There is two options to compile: CC space file name with extension or GCC file space file name and with extension. But now we have compiled this code. Compilation is completed. So our compiled file is named as even ls. ls is a command to see all files or folders, whatever in present working directory. Directory is a folder. So here we are created this hello world, right? I'm going to clear the screen and again begin. So I created this one file only, but after compiling, this header.out file is created. So we have to run this header.out file. For that, we have to give dot slash and then header.out. So out will enter. So our hello world is printed. So again, I'm going to attend the code. This is our code. So this is about file to some. This is main function and point here to here. This is main function body. In this main function body, we are writing a program. This is printf is a predefined function for print or data on a screen. So let's save this program again. Okay, I have to save. So set mode. Another way to save a program. Next step, colon W key and hit enter. Now I am showing you how to get a line number in a code. So for that we have to create one file. It is use command vi to create a file and so then dot vimrc you can say vimrc also enter then give go to insert colon and then write a set space nu and save this file. Okay. And now again I'm going to extend this code. You can see here line numbers is visible. Okay. So that's it for today's video. Thank you. See my video. Like, share and subscribe.